Thanks for checking out the AkronNewsNow.com update today. I'm Lindsay McCoy, bringing you the latest local news. In our top story, Ashford Thompson may soon learn if he'll be put to death for shooting and killing a police officer in 2008. A jury came back with guilty verdicts on all counts against Ashford Thompson last week, including 2 aggravated murder counts in the shooting death of Twinsburg police officer Joshua McTarian. The penalty phase against Thompson starts today, the same jury deciding if he'll head for Ohio's death row or if he'll spend the rest of his life behind bars. It will soon be case closed for a double murder that happened at a Norton park in the late 70s. We go now to AkronNewsNow.com's newsroom for more details on this story.
It came as a surprise to Summit County Prosecutor Sherry Bevan Walsh, but one that she welcomed. Edward Wayne Edwards admitted to killing a couple in Wisconsin. He's there now, where he will plead guilty to those charges, and then he says he will return and allowed to be extradited back to Summit County to plead guilty to the murders 33 and a half years ago of Billy Lovico and Judy Straub, both from Norton. Now, Norton police and the Summit County Prosecutor's Office had talked to Edwards in his jail cell in Wisconsin a few months ago, and he said that he had more information on those murders. He's to be extradited back here to Summit County, and then on Friday morning, he is expected to plead guilty to the murders of Judy Straub and Billy Lovico, bringing some closure to those families after all these years. Larry States, AkronNewsNow.com.
Ohio's governor is asking for a disaster declaration for 3 northwestern Ohio counties hit by tornadoes last weekend. Governor Ted Strickland sent a letter to President Barack Obama, yesterday asking for federal aid now that the teams have finished surveying the damage in Wood, Ottawa, and Fulton counties. A disaster declaration for those areas would make grants and loans available and help cities and townships pay for debris removal and repairs to public infrastructure. This week, 3 members of the Akron Police Department face charges involving steroids. Akron police say the department performs random drug tests on a monthly basis, but Captain Dan Zampelli says these tests cannot detect steroid use. He notes that the sergeant and 2 patrol officers charged earlier this week with possession of anabolic steroids remain on paid administrative leave, but Sergeant Shamboul may soon be suspended indefinitely without pay because he faces a felony charge. And it remains unclear if any additional cops from the department will be charged. You can read more about this story on AkronNewsNow.com. As we look at our Akron area forecast today, sunshine, we get a break from the rain, thank goodness. A high of 78 degrees today, sunshine on Friday as well, but we have a slight chance for thunderstorms, high of 81 degrees. For your weekend forecast, looks like we'll stay in the 80s. 85 degrees on Saturday. Scattered thunderstorms are likely, cloudy otherwise. And on Sunday, 86 degrees with scattered thunderstorms as well. And we look at Monday, 81 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. We have a slight chance for thunderstorms on Monday, too. Continue to follow AkronNewsNow.com for the latest local news, sports, weather, and traffic updates on demand now. And you can also find our news updates on Facebook and on Twitter, too. For AkronNewsNow.com, I'm Lindsay McCoy.